Hi friends, I'm gonna show you my daily CTM routine. After cleansing my face, I use Cetaphil Bright Healthy Radiance Toner. It's a skin perfecting toner that instantly eliminates skin complexion for softer and smoother skin. It's so refreshing and lightweight. Then I use Minimalist Vitamin C Serum. Gives a very good radiance and the brightness to my skin. It reduces pigmentation and dark spots. It is such an amazing serum. It helped me a lot. Then I use the ordinary caffeine serum for my under eyes. This caffeine solution provides brighter and the firmer under eye areas and reduces puffiness but works very slow on dark circle. As you can see, I don't have dark circles. I have only puffiness. I use Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer. With moisturizer, I massage on my face for 3 to 4 minutes. I never step out from my home without using sunscreen. So I use La Shield Sunscreen SPF 50. My last step to apply lip balm. It's a bird bees lip balm.